Welcome back to my channel, guys, and if this is your first time, you are definitely welcome.
Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Today, guys, I will be doing a drive with me. Yeah, it's 3:31. Yeah, so I'm on my way to go pick up my kids from school. And then, I just want to chat about some things that has to do with me. And then I know some of you guys out there can relate. So let's get going. And then we start attack. Who is ready? I have like many things to talk about. But I think the first thing I'd like to talk about is telling your man how you feel. This is not easy for me at all. Few months ago, I actually stopped working. I was working somewhere around the house, like few minutes from the house, and then few minutes, I think, to the kids' school. But it was not easy because I have to wake up as early as 5 a.m. and then wake the kids up, dress them up. I literally have like 2 hours to dress up and get the kids ready for school. I usually resume like 7 a.m. Yeah, 7:30. Yes, I have to get to this kids' school later at 7 o'clock because I have to drive like few minutes to my workplace. And then I leave work around 4, go to the kids' school, pick the kids up, get home, do whatever I want to do. We have to get to bed latest 8 p.m. or 9. And then sometimes my little baby, he throws this tantrum throughout the night or part of the night, and then I barely get sleep. I wake up again as early as 5 o'clock to repeat the same thing over and over again until I got tired, until I got really stressed and I could not do it anymore. So I had to tell my husband, like, you know what, I don't think I can do this anymore. So I am presently at home getting some trainings done online and probably start to work from home, and then try to get my YouTube seriously and get some like get some things done with my life. Part that I just got to now is telling your man how you feel, like money wise. It's a different thing when you're working and then you need to get some things, you go buy them yourself without telling your man. But it's a different thing when you're not working and you have to get every kobo from your man. Like, you need to get your undies, you need to get your pants, you need to get your tops, you need to get everything concerning you and the kids. You have to ask your man, even when you have to get gas for your car. And that is the part I do not like. That is the part I totally do not like. I am the type that I find it really hard to ask people for things. Even my man knows, my father, everybody. If you are close to me, you would definitely know how much I hate asking people, or don't let me use the word hate. I don't like disturbing people for things that I want. So when I was working, it was easy for me to, take money, go buy the things I want. But now that I am not working, it's really hard for me. It's hard to the extent that my husband feels I am so secretive that I don't even want to tell him anything. But it's just my thing. Like, I feel like, do I have to ask you for everything I need? So that is my story right now. That is how I feel. I really, really want to get something done, like have my money, not disturb my man for every little thing I need. According to him, it is responsibility. He's supposed to give me everything I need. But I don't I don't feel that way. I don't feel like it's a must. Oh yeah. So I just got to the kids' school, and I think I need to quickly make my point clear. I was a little bit distracted, but what I was saying is, you know, you are the type that is used to working and getting your money. You are the type that you don't like disturbing others with, you know, I need this, I want to buy this, including your husband. And then you feel bad when you ask and you don't get it. I'm a full-time mom, like what they call it, housewife or something. I have to ask my husband, I want to buy this, I want to buy that, I need a new top, I need a new pants, I need a new shoe for myself, for the kids. I don't get comfortable with, should I use the word disturbing? Because I don't think I'm disturbing him. That's how I feel. I don't know. So if you are in my position or situation, what's the best way? How do you do it? How do you ask? How do you do it? Please let me know in the comment section. Yeah, thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.